ואירע ו'. ויהי בעת ההיא ויאמר אלימלך, ויאמר אבימלך, לאמור אלוקים עמך בכל אשר אתה עושה. אבימלך tells Avraham Avinu, I see that Hashem is with you, with everything that you do. What does it mean? Rashi says that he saw שראה שיצא משכונת סדום לשלום. Avraham Avinu came out of Sodom with peace. He saw that he fought with the kings and they all fell in front of him. And he saw that his wife Sarah got pregnant in older age. Pay attention. If you're talking to somebody like Avimelech, like a goy, somebody who doesn't understand, he needs to see success right away, just as the way we explained before with Hagar. If you see success, that means that Elokim is with you. Elohim imach bechol asher ata oseh. By us, we don't need to see results. We know that Elokim imach, if we see somebody righteous, if we see him praying, if we see him learning Torah, if we see him acting b'kedusha v'tahara, that's enough. That's why we say in the pasuk, "Vatomer Elisha, inena yadati ki ish Elokim kadosh." How did she know that ish Elokim kadosh? Was he very successful? Was things going well for him? Was he making a lot of money? No. The Gemara in Brachot, Daf Yud Amud Bet says that he was acting in kedusha. When a person is acting in kedusha, you know that he says Elokim kadosh. You know that Hashem is with him. You don't need to see actual results.